The COD to BOD Ratio Interactive Calculator helps engineers quickly assess wastewater biodegradability and treatment requirements. Let's start with the drop-down menu for select calculation mode. You can choose Calculate COD-BOD Ratio, Calculate BOD from COD and Ratio, Calculate COD from BOD and Ratio, Calculate Biodegradability Index, Estimate Treatment Efficiency Required, or Calculate Ultimate BOD from BOD5. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate COD-BOD Ratio. Now for the input fields. Enter your COD in milligrams per liter, your BOD5 in milligrams per liter, your COD-BOD ratio if calculating other parameters, and if estimating treatment efficiency. Enter your required effluent COD and required effluent BOD, both in milligrams per liter. Let's work through an example. I'll input COD equals 10 milligrams per liter and BOD5 equals 10 milligrams per liter. After clicking Calculate, we get three key results. The COD-BOD ratio equals 1:0, which is unusually low for typical wastewater. The biodegradability shows 100.0%, indicating this wastewater is completely biodegradable. The recommended treatment suggests conventional biological treatment, which makes sense given the high biodegradability. This calculator streamlines your preliminary wastewater characterization. Find the link in the description below.